Okay guys, in this video we have to know, or we have to learn how to make something good and strange for the firewall, how to add this firewall. Now from time to time we need to use Windows firewall just to block some ports, block some applications, make a connection, making establishing connection every time like this, and make our system very slow. So we have to control all of these ports, open ports inside your system by a firewall. So if you frequent using this firewall for many times like this to check your connections and like that, so you have to put it in the desktop shortcut menu or desktop context menu, right? So let's see now how to run firewall. First we have to run it under CMD. From CMD you can write directly wf Windows Firewall .msc Microsoft Console. Okay, it will work directly. So this is an advanced firewall which I'm talking about now, this firewall. So this is the way how to run this Windows firewall. The second way is how to make it as a shortcut, like these shortcuts on your desktop. So you have to make it new shortcuts, and you write the same wf.msc next, and you can name it as you like, firewall, then enter. So this icon for firewall is created now, so you can access it by double click. It will work directly. So what is the third one? The third one is how to make it available at this desktop context menu. Okay, this is our video is talking about that, how to create this button inside this one, inside these buttons. So we have to know, open registry. This is the first, open this registry. Okay, inside the first hive, HKey classes root. Under this HKey classes root, I will search for desktop background, desk. I write from the keyboard the desk, DESK. It will take me to there to this button. Under desktop background, under shell, beside this display, I'll create a new button. Right click, new key. What can I call this key? I can WF. Okay, at the right side here, and inside this default, when I'll name it here Windows Firewall. I'll add advanced. This is the name for this key, the new key we will create. Now if you press right click, you will find the new Windows Firewall Advanced. Okay, this Windows, we created this one, so we have to create the same another key, command, or taking the same icon. Let's make it key, new key. I'll name it command. Okay, inside this command, because this is Microsoft Console, this is WF is a Microsoft Console. Okay, so we have to run it by the program, associated program is MMC. Okay, mmc.exe. This is the associated program which you can run all the MSC Microsoft Console, like group policy console, security policy console, and firewall console. All consoles files can be run by this associated program MMC, Microsoft management of Microsoft Console, or Microsoft Management Console. Okay, so we have to run it like this. Then I'll follow with wf.msc Microsoft Console. Okay, so I will put it like this. Okay, then if I right click now and I run it from here, it will run. Okay, so it's succeeded. Okay, now we want to give this icon, new icon, the icon for this Windows Firewall. This is a new command. We want to give it an icon. So at the left side, inside the key directly, at the right side, I'll make a new string value like this. So I'll call it icon. So the icon for this firewall, I searched it inside the registry. Finally I found the icon for this Windows firewall is a authenticated. Okay, this is the same exactly. Authenticated firewall, authenticated firewall grab policy dot DLL. Okay, comma dash 101. Okay, this is exactly the icon for this authenticated firewall grab policy dot DLL, like this. This is shortcuts for this icon. So right click, so you'll find Windows Firewall Advanced. So it takes the icon for this firewall, and it succeeded, and it can work directly from your desktop. So now you know how to add this new button for Windows Firewall. So it will be it's now available in desktop context menu. So it's succeeded with like this. So every time you make a project, you created a project, you have to export it to desktop just to be applied in another system. Okay, you can apply it in another system. So we have to export this one, and you can name it Windows Firewall, like this. Windows, or we can say firewall on desktop. Firewall on desktop. This is the name of the script. We can apply it. So this is our project. This is the project we finished. Now export it to the desktop. Now it's available now, right? This is the first thing. Okay, now we have the script, Windows register script. We can add this to the registry again if we removed. Now we want to make an icon to remove this button from the system. So we have to make like this new Windows command script. Okay, inside this Windows command script, I'll name it with the same Windows Firewall. It's better to make it Windows Firewall on desktop. Windows Firewall on desktop. This is script. So this is how to remove this one. I'll enable the other icon for this script. To remove this script, I'll add only more thing, delete. Okay, this one will delete this command from the desktop context menu. How to delete this one? By this, what can we write inside? Like we said before, for many videos before, all the previous videos, we said we talked about that. So registry delete. What to delete? HK classes root. Then we'll copy all the command inside. So right click and edit this script. We can copy all of this line up to here, like that. So copy. Okay, and here we'll paste it here. I'll add more thing is /F to apply this command forced. Okay, without prompting me to take an action. Okay, so if we want to remove this button now, we have to right click, run as administrator. Yes, now removed from the system. Now system without the new command. If we want to apply it again, just right click, merge. Yes, and okay. Finally, okay. So the new button is added successfully. So we can run it from here directly. So no need to search inside Windows, where is this firewall, where is this administration tools, and like that. So now you know how to run it as a command prompt. Now you know how to make this shortcuts. So, and also finally you know how to add it as a button inside your desktop context menu. This script now we will pack it to be available, so you can download it anytime. So this is Windows Firewall on desktop. I'll write script. This is script, right? So this script will be available under this video. so you can download it anytime. So now we reach to the end of the video. So thanks for watching and goodbye.